Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Facebook Marketplace, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Facebook Marketplace, start by opening the Facebook app or website. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu, usually found on the top or bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Marketplace option. If it's not visible, you may need to click on See More to locate it. Click on the Marketplace icon to enter the Marketplace section. If this is your first time using it, you might see a welcome message explaining what Marketplace offers. To proceed, look for a button or prompt that says Get Started or similar. Follow the prompts to agree to Facebook's policies and terms regarding Marketplace. Next, set up your Marketplace profile if prompted. Make sure to include essential information such as your location for accurate listings. Once your profile is set up, you are ready to start browsing or selling items. To list an item for sale, click on the Sell Something button. Choose the type of item you want to sell from the options provided. Enter details such as the title, description, price, and add high-quality photos of your item. Review your listing before posting to ensure all information is correct. Click the Publish button to make your item available to potential buyers. You can now start receiving inquiries and offers from interested buyers. Keep an eye on notifications for messages related to your listings. Remember to be responsive and maintain good communication with potential buyers. Your Facebook Marketplace is now activated, and you are ready to explore buying or selling items. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.